got a package here. This is an iPod, which when I was looking, or when I saw this, I thought this was going to be another under $15 video. I need to figure out where this thing opens. Turns out it's where the label is. I'll pause it. That was pretty hard. So, taped really well. Let's hope they packaged it well. So, here it is. This is, for comparison, this is mine. And you can see that there is some damage right there. So, let's plug it in. Okay then. So, I'm gonna use this for what it's actually for. Yep. Well, I'll just let it charge, and then I'll open it later. Taking the battery connector took too long. So, see you in a minute. Alright, so instead of waiting, I decided I was going to remove the battery from this one as well, and put it in here and see what happens. Because I want to see if the hard drive is dead or not. I never bothered to use the adhesive right here. There's a good oh yeah, it's a dead drive. And that's an obliterated screen. So, yeah. Why'd I shut it? Well, I'm gonna grab it. This one right here is going to be in this one. So, but before, you're going to see what's going to happen to this drive right here. No. Probably do that. Huh. Zooming in. It is. There we go. Go over there. Dead boy. Hopefully, because I've seen this in a video where the... Oh yeah. This one doesn't have the clip. I'm gonna grab another one. So this one, yeah, that's the clip. So, should be easier to go on. I'm just gonna do that because it seems to not be working. So now oh, that's the other battery. Alright. Yeah, so most likely, what? This is the bad drive. It's a bad board, like I've seen before in some other thing. That would suck. So, yeah, this is the. I'm just making sure this one is actually dead. Come on. Should probably put the battery in. I think it's actually dead. Or? Yep. What's going on? Whoa! Professors, it's a bad board. You could say that's annoying, but hey, let's see what the professor has on here. So that's annoying. I don't have two good boards, but this drive does work. Beck. Oh, it's just that one. Hey, it's annoying it has a bad board, but iMac is going to. It's probably got the cord. I tried to charge it somewhere else. If you're wondering where I saw the bad board thing, that was the first episode of DankPods. So, let's see. This is great because I copy music. Beep. Probably bring the mouse over here. Professors. It's funny. Oh, there's video. Music. No, on device. If it has ACDC on it, you kind of assume. Wonder what that is. It's the iPod version. Dang, this was like used personally. I'm going to. We're gonna talk 2 hours. Look at all the music on here. You have to see the most played. No. Nope, I don't want to do that. It said settings. Nope, never mind. I guess that is autofill settings right there. Get all of the songs. I'm trying to figure out how you see the most played, because not really working. 2007. Let's do date added. They use this up to 2011. Hey there, Mr. Blue Sky. I know that song. So, the video's not over yet, but I'm going to see if a thing that I heard of can rip music from the iPod. Because usually the thing I use works for touches only. So that's very cool. They probably never listened to that playlist. Or they did. Hey, it is the Beatles. Yeah, I have that album. Queen. They only listen to Queen on the go. That's interesting to know. So, before I go over there and see if I can get the music off of this, go see if any of these videos play. Sure. It's picking up where it left off. And it's kind of weird. Why is it in... Oh. That. Oh, this is... I think maybe this is a workout thing. Interesting. Video podcasts? I wonder if they have any podcasts. I didn't check podcasts. I'm guessing not, because... yeah, they don't have photos. I don't know why it's trying to get photos, but that's cool. So, see you soon. Alright, so I got the music transferred. So you may want to know what is going to happen next. So, what I'm going to do is going to make the best make a whole iPod out of these two. So, let's do it. Yeah. There we go. Need to open this one again. Now I don't even need this. I can just do this. The reason that I want to, like, this one needs a new case because one of the clips broke and something's messed up. I'll use my special hands. This may be a good battery, I don't know. This is something I just toss into this one. And then, eventually, I might be able to get a screen and a new board. Which, a board and screen wouldn't cost the best amount, probably. Because for some reason, screens are $20 on the place I've seen them. Which is kind of annoying, because that's kind of more than I paid for this thing. Yeah, there we go. That's fine. But so this is good. Oh, what? None of them are bad. I forgot. None of them are bad. That one is the special one. or you can't see it, but I'm talking about this one. Special with music on it. 5,000 songs, actually. Which, not many of them had album artwork, but whatever. That's not a good idea right there. Even though I have a replacement, I should probably not grab that like that. Alright. Alright, so this front piece for that. And then this one, sad one. Was it just not connected, bro? Or, well, it's out on the other drive, too. Let me get rid of this. This is annoying. Alright. Let's test that again. I'm pretty sure that it's dead, but it has been around 2 hours. Not 2 hours since I got this, but maybe it has been 2 hours. Yeah, maybe it has, because I've been transferring music for a while. I was looking through a bunch of tools and stuff that may work. None of them did, because I didn't want to download crap software on my computer. Which means basically that I didn't really want to pay for it. No activity from the drive. It's odd. Let's try this one. It's interesting. Different cable type on the screens. Let's try this one. That'd be cool if this would work, but it probably will not. Let's try that again. Yeah, it's making no noise again. You know what? That probably wasn't a very secure connection. But, whatever. Just let me put this over here. I may use this case instead of the other one. The other one has a few dents. And so there is that. Probably shouldn't lose that, but this one comes out easier. I don't know if this will make a difference though. Trying to this on camera, but it's not the most comfortable. I'll be back then. Alright, so this does have a bad board, so I guess, a board swap on this, because this has good clips and stuff, and this one has bad clips and stuff, so time lapse. So quick detour, but there's corrosion on this board. This was water damaged. I didn't know that. Or, of course I didn't know that, but I'm guessing that's why it's not working. That is very kind of unfortunate. Put everything back in its place. And this is the faceplate that has everything. You can see that right here, this one's missing. So I don't know how long this one will last, but let's hope it's better than this one. So I'm gonna go wash this. Alright, I finished putting the screws back in this one. So there's that back. I guess it's time to see if everything works alright. Come on. That's a good, strong connection, I think so. I'm gonna zoom in there. And, yep, so. Yeah, this is the right battery. Alright. So, this one should be one of my hard drives. Alright, so now for the moment of truth, I guess. Yep, it's pretty scratched up. Yeah, this is yeah, it is a little scratched up. Yeah, whatever. It'll be fine. So no, mess that up. The lock button's a little stiff. That's fine. Alright. So, that is it. There'll probably be more iPod videos. I have 3 more hard drives to put in the iPod now. So, probably censor this. So zoom in a little so it will look better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Getting close to 300. 200 was last year. And pretty sure I said please subscribe. And bye.